Miami is being rebuilt right in front of us. What smart buyers need to see. Miami is not just growing, it's being completely rebuilt. And if you're only looking at one building or one neighborhood, you're missing the real story. Because what's happening right now in Miami is happening on 3 levels at the same time. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Stay with me until the end, because I'm also going to give you a free copy of my book, Miami's Pre-Construction Blueprint, so you can understand how to actually take advantage of this. Let's start with something most people are still overlooking: the Miami River. For years, the river was seen as secondary, industrial, not prime. That's over. Now you're seeing projects like Waldorf Astoria Miami, Baccarat Residences, and new luxury plus boutique waterfront concepts. This is not random. This is waterfront repositioning. And if you understand Miami, you understand one thing: water drives value. Always has. Always will. The Miami River is going from forgotten corridor to extension of the luxury waterfront map. That's your first signal. Because this isn't just about the river. Miami is being redesigned as a global city. Look at what's happening. Waldorf Astoria Miami, tallest tower in the southeast. That's a statement project. American Dream Miami, indoor ski slope. That's not real estate. That's experience economy. Miami World Center, 27 acres, a true live work play ecosystem. South Place City Center, suburbs turning into walkable cities. That's urban expansion beyond downtown. So what's the pattern? Miami is not building randomly. It's building. Lifestyle, density, experience, connectivity. This is exactly what global cities do. New York, Dubai, Singapore, Miami is stepping into that category. Now let me show you something very important, because all of this has already happened somewhere, and that place is Brickell. Brickell is the prototype of Miami's future. But here's the truth nobody tells you. People complain about Brickell, but they don't leave. Why? Because it offers something Miami historically never had: convenience. Walkability. Live, work, play. No car needed. Everything within minutes. Yes, it's dense. Yes, it's loud. Yes, it feels like Manhattan. But that's not a bug, that's the product. Brickell was intentionally built for professionals, global buyers, people relocating from major cities. And here's the key insight. In Miami, convenience has become a luxury. People are willing to trade space, silence, tropical charm for time, access, efficiency. That's a major shift. So when you connect everything, the Miami River transforming, mega developments reshaping the city, Brickell proving the lifestyle shift, you start to see the real story. Miami is not just growing. Miami is being repositioned from vacation city to global capital of lifestyle, investment, and urban living. And here's the opportunity. The people who understand this early are the ones who position themselves the best. If you stayed with me until the end, I appreciate it. Like I said at the beginning, I'm giving you a free copy of my book, Miami's Pre-Construction Blueprint. This is where I break down how to analyze projects, how to understand risk, and how to position yourself correctly in this market. And listen, I've helped many people make the move to Miami and also grow within Miami through pre-construction opportunities. So whether you're looking to move here, invest, or understand this market at a deeper level, my team and I are here to guide you through the process. If you found value in this video, like the video, drop a comment. What do you think about where Miami is going? And subscribe to the channel for more insights like this, because I'm going to continue breaking down what's really happening in this market. I'll see you in the next one.